Once upon a time in the vibrant and cheerful town of Harmonyville, two best friends, Leo the lion and Ellie the elephant, found themselves in a sticky situation. They both wanted to be the leader of the annual Harmony Parade. Leo roared with excitement. "I have a fabulous route planned through the sunflower fields." But Ellie trumpeted her idea. "We could march through the town's market and paint everyone's day with joy." The argument grew until neither Leo nor Ellie would talk to each other, casting a cloud over Harmonyville. Fortunately, their wise old teacher, Miss Owl, swooped in to lend a wing. "Let's try a blueprint conference," she suggested with a twinkle in her eye. "It's a way to talk through our conflicts and find peace." Curious but hesitant, Leo and Ellie agreed. Miss Owl led them to the Friendship Grove, a serene gathering spot nestled between the hills. "Here," she said, "each of you will have a chance to speak about your feelings, listen to each other, and work towards a solution." Leo began, his mane shaking slightly with vulnerability. "I felt hurt, Ellie. I thought your plan would overshadow mine." Ellie listened, her big ears attentive. "Oh, Leo, I never meant to hurt your feelings. Listening to you, I now understand. My excitement clouded my empathy." "I'm sorry," Miss Owl encouraged them. "Now that you've expressed your feelings, let's see if we can find a solution together." Leo smiled. "What if we combine our ideas? Start the parade through the market and finish in the sunflower fields." Ellie beamed. "I love that idea." With newfound understanding, they shook paws. They decided to lead the parade as a team. The parade day arrived, and as Leo and Ellie led the way through the town and into the fields, everyone cheered. Harmonyville was filled with laughter and joy. Having learned the importance of using their blueprint conference, Leo and Ellie resolved to always talk about their feelings openly and respectfully, keeping their friendship strong. As Miss Owl observed from a branch above, she knew the seeds of empathy and collaboration had planted a magnificent garden in their hearts. "Next," she whispered to herself, "we'll explore how to repair friendships with community restoration." But today, they've taken a wonderful step. Thus, Leo and Ellie taught all the children in Harmonyville about talking through conflicts, ensuring the spirit of harmony thrived among them all.